Chapter 2 Windows Explorer. Windows Explorer. You've probably used Windows Explorer without even realizing it. Every time you open your Documents folder or the Photos folder on a memory card, that's an instance of Windows Explorer. The tool's fundamental purpose is to let you view, open, copy, move, and otherwise manage your files and folders. Controlling the computer is not possible without Windows Explorer. In simple terms, Windows Explorer is the file browser found in Microsoft Windows, designed to help the user to explore and manage the drives, folders, and files on the computer. Steps to open Windows Explorer. Step 1. Move the cursor over the Start button and click it. Step 2. Click on the All Programs option. Step 3. Click on the Accessories option. Step 4. Click the Windows Explorer option. A Windows Explorer appears as shown here. Components of a Windows Explorer. Address bar. Address bar displays the location of the current window. Minimize button. It is used to shrink the window. Maximize button. It is used to make the window view to its maximum. Window occupies full screen when maximized. Close button. It is used to close the window. Menu control bar. It contains various menus and icons to work with. Back button. It is used to go back to the previous folder. Forward button. It is used to go to next viewed folder. Scroll bar. It appears only when the data contained in a window is more than its display area. You can scroll up and down by clicking up and down arrows in the scroll bar. Status bar. It is located at the bottom of a window. It displays the status of the file, folder present in a window. Left pane and right pane. The Windows Explorer screen is divided into two parts, panes, the left pane and the right pane. The left pane displays disk drives and folders, whereas the right pane displays the contents of the drive or folder selected on the left pane. Different types of views. You can view the files and folders in different ways. There are 8 possible ways to change the views of files and folders. Extra large icons. This option displays the files and folder in extra large icons. Large icons. In this option, files and folders can be viewed as large icons, little smaller than extra large icons. Medium icons. To view files and folders as medium icons, you can choose this option. It gives best view. Small icons. Files and folders are viewed as small icons in this option. List. By choosing List option, you can see a list of files and folders with a small icon in front of every item. Generally used when a folder contains many files. Details. This option displays a list of files and folders with detailed information about the files. Example, name, type, size, and date modified. Tiles. This option displays a list of files and folders with slightly larger icons than List and Details option and have the information under the file or folder name. Content. This option displays the files and folders in a content format with name, type, and size information. Organizing files and folders in Windows Explorer. We can learn about the various options in Windows Explorer. Opening Files folder. When you select a file, folder, or drive in Windows Explorer, Open option appears in the menu control bar. To open it, follow these steps. Step 1. Select the file folder. Step 2. Click the Open option from menu control bar. All files folders inside the selected folder will appear on the screen. Creating new folders. This option is used to create a new folder. Follow the given steps to create a new folder. Step 1. Select the folder from the left pane. Step 2. Click the New Folder option from menu control bar. New folder icon will appear on the right pane. You can type a suitable name for the folder. Renaming files folders. This option is used to change the name of the existing file folder. Follow the given steps to rename a file folder. Step 1. Select the file folder you want to rename. Step 2. Click the Rename option from Organize menu on the menu control bar. Step 3. Type a new name for the file folder. Selecting all files folders. Select All option is used to select all the files and folders. To select all files and folders, click on Select All option from Organize menu. Deleting files folders. To delete a file or folder, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select one or more files or folders that you want to delete. Step 2. Click Delete option from the Organize menu. A dialog box will appear. Step 3. Click Yes to delete. All the selected files or folders get deleted. Moving files folders to another location. Cut and Paste option is used to move files and folders from one location to another. Follow the given steps to move the files or folders. Step 1. Select a file or folder. Step 2. Click the Cut option from Organize menu. Step 3. Go to the folder where you want to move the file or folder. Step 4. Click Paste option from Organize menu. Copy files folders. Copy option is used to copy a file or folder from one location and paste it to another location. To copy a file or folder, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select a file or folder. Step 2. Click the Copy option from Organize menu. Step 3. Go to the folder where you want to copy the file or folder. Step 4. Click Paste option from Organize menu. View properties of files, folders. To check the properties of a file or folder, follow the given steps. Step 1. Select a file or folder. Step 2. Click the Properties option in Organize menu. A Properties dialog box will appear. You can check the properties of the selected file or folder. Arranging files and folders. If you are a person who puts all your files into a single folder or has a million folders and never throws anything away, it can become complicated. Therefore, it becomes necessary to organize the huge bundle of files and folders that you have in your computer. You can organize and arrange your files and folders using the following techniques. Grouping files folders. This option helps us organize files and folders by breaking them into different sections such as name, date modified, type, size, tag, ascending, descending order, etc. To group your files folders, Step 1. Right-click on the empty space of the Details pane. Step 2. Select Group by option from the list appeared. Step 3. Select how you want to sort, name, date modified, type or size. Step 4. Select whether you want the contents sorted in ascending or descending order. By name. This option will organize the file's folders in alphabetical order. Date modified. It will organize the file's folders according to the modified dates. In the same way, you can choose another option and observe the changes. Note: if you want to remove the grouping separation in a folder or library, just right-click on empty space, point to Group By, and then click None. Sorting files folders. Step 1. Open any folder that contains files and folders in Windows Explorer. Step 2. Right-click on a blank area and select Sort By from Shortcut menu. A sub-menu appears. Select any one of the options, example, Name, Date Modified, Type and Size from the sub-menu, and also select the ascending or descending order for how you want the window to arrange the files and folders. Note: clear the checkbox for an item to remove it from the filter. After you filter the list in Details view, you can switch to any other view and the filter will persist. Moving a window. To move a window, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Click on the top left corner of the window. A list appears. Step 2. Click the Move option from the list. Step 3. Now move the window to the desired location using arrow keys and press Enter to finish it. You can also move the window through holding it from the title bar and dragging it to the desired location. Resizing a window. To resize a window, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Click on the top left corner of the window. A list appears. Step 2. Click the Size option from the list. Step 3. Now resize the window using arrow keys and press Enter when finished. You can also resize the window by holding the border with mouse pointer and dragging it to the desired size. Exploring pictures. We can store and organize digital photos, images, and graphic files in Picture folder. To open this folder, follow the steps given below. Step 1. Click the Start button. Select the Pictures option from the right pane. Picture folder will open. Step 2. Click on a picture to select it and double-click on it to preview. We get various buttons at the bottom of the picture that help us to manage and change the view of the pictures. See figure below. Step 3. There are various buttons on the bar above and thumbnails providing different functions. See figure below. Libraries in Windows 7. Libraries allow you to organize your files in one place so that they can be easily searched and accessed. Windows 7 has 4 default libraries for documents, music, pictures and videos. However, you can customize and create your own libraries based on your needs. When we open Windows Explorer, we see the Libraries folder selected on the left pane. Double-click on the required library from the right pane to open it. Let's summarize. Windows Explorer explore and manage drives, folders, files of your computer. Windows Explorer screen is divided into 2 parts, left pane and right pane. The left pane displays drives and folders, whereas the right pane displays the contents of the file and folders. You can view the files and folders in 8 different ways: extra large icons, large icons, medium icons, small icons, list, details, tiles, and content. You can organize and arrange your files and folders using Sort By and Group By options. Windows 7 has 4 default libraries: Documents, Music, Pictures, and Videos.
Fill in the blanks.